Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you in London?
Yes, I sent out the alert because yes, I am. I saw the 200. I see that they have 200 order. They might go take it to 180. They didn't take all the orders on 180, so I might trail this one just to be careful. But some people were saying that no, the people were asking me to send out my pre-markets if I am in. So I was logging in, so I tagged everyone. So I might just
Yeah,
do.
that's good.
Yeah, break even, and that's it. Cause I know it's a dangerous long. Yeah, Shannon, I'm going. My daughter goes to Notre Dame, so it's South Bend, Indiana. So you have a lot of flooding there. It's watching the cameras on the house. The grass is growing. I didn't see much rain. Hopefully there'll be no rain when I move her in. Okay, so I am gonna be careful with this one because it is pre-market. I know, is it Caroline and Vitas? You guys were trading yesterday, huh? At Asia. Try to watch it from my phone. I was like, ooh, yeah, yeah. I was watching. I was like, ooh, you guys are brave. Sunday. I'm like, ooh, ooh, ooh.
No risk, no Lambo.
He's like, I like how ours says, no, you don't risk, you don't get Lamborghini. I like though. I really my dream used to be a Porsche. So Porsche, I guess, is less than. All right, so I'm gonna try my stops. You did the gold? Okay, that's awesome though. Good for you though. Very proud of you. Okay, I'm gonna try because it's keep reject. I'm gonna go right here below the 9, which aligns with the 200 price action, meaning that they're gonna kick me out. That's fine. Okay, let's let us go. Good morning, Melissa. Um, yeah, Carolina, I don't know if Melissa suggested this to do like introduction things and chat things. So, good morning, Irina. Irina, I sent the alert for you. Did you get it? Did you get that alert? Okay, I'm getting distracted. So I'm sending the chart in the chat for the entry. So Carolina, like we're doing like Melissa suggested that to do like introduction, get to know each other. If you guys want to fill it out, if Irina wants to do that too, it's fun, just fun. You can say whatever you guys want to say, or not share whatever you guys want to share. So you got the alert, Irina, right? I did send it out. I was like, okay, Irina's gonna be like, she asked me if I do, yeah, Ali. It's just fun. Yeah, but as long as like I was like, okay, because sometimes when I log in, it takes me like 10-15 minutes to get it all set up and I see a setup. So you asked me last time to send it out. So I was like, okay, I do see a little scalp. You might take it right now, but I get out just because the top of the hour is here, and let's see what we get. Someone is asking me if I'm full-time trader. No, I'm not full-time. Full-time trader is very stressful. That's a stressful job. I'm a part-time trader. I do part-time with swing trading and with the part-time swing trading and the futures couple trades a day, and that's it. And I bounce. Just like this trade is gonna bounce without us now. That's okay. It's pre-market. We have to be safe. So for the winning team, I send out the chart in the chat for study purposes only. So we talk about entries, not necessarily totals. So now it's gonna go to the 225 that I saw. So I was looking for 20 points, not a lot. It's pre-market. So it didn't reach completely the T open, and it's bouncing off here because now it's more orders on the right over here, 225. You're seeing short hold. Yeah, I take some bounces. Either way, it's fine. Good morning, Kona. Yeah, you know me, Rena. I don't hide. I don't just if I'll share the tricks, everything with you guys. The whole point is for you guys to be better than me. Okay. So I don't know if anybody else is in long, but the TP should be like 225. You guys see this big order right here? It's about 71 contracts. Bam. You're sure that's zero? Yeah. You can't like that. They might take the 225 and then take it down. But you see it's more heavier up the top so far. But the 180, which aligns with the T open, it's also heavy. Long 225. No, I said like if you long from the 190 area that I sent the alert off, if you want to trail your stops, we see a big order on Bookmap at 225, just trail your stops. That's all I'm saying. Yeah. But on TikTok, you guys only see this screen. When you see me looking that way, I'm looking at the Bookmap. But TikTok, the screen is so little, you can only able to see like just this. So I'm talking to my winning team too. So because I said alert, it's never a signal, but I was looking for long. I took a little scalp right here. So I said, if you are trailing, if you're in a trade trail, but I see a big order 225 for your TP. Yeah. Okay. Obviously, Bookmap always changes, right? So yeah. If you guys, okay, Melissa, Air Cow, that's your name. Okay, interesting choice. She said that you should come over here and see the whole picture. TikTok is just to tease you guys. And then the Air Cow, if it reaches the 225, you were rolling ice at me, so we'll see what happens. We'll see. Alrighty. So let's see. So it just is stalling out, right? So it's accumulation time right now. We didn't see much volume at all at the top of the hour. Stalling out, but we have our little whale right here. For new people, if you pay attention to the whale, depending on the time frame, it just means the RSI is extended. Then Carolinites new, and I don't know if Kona did it too. If you guys claim the indicator, there's indicator you guys can claim. It will be this one right here. If you have questions how to do that, let us know. Oh yeah, Shannon too. Shannon, did you claim the indicator? What are you analysis variables to choose stocks? I don't understand the question. If you can rephrase, George, your question, that'd be great. Taking long or short, we took a little long right here at 195. And then we stopped out, we trailed our stop. Just in case anybody else is in it, I'm trying to guide them to 225. And the what was it? Something cow that was questioning me about 225 and rolling eyes at me. I'm just gonna be patiently wait. All right, Kona, yeah, it's in the Whoop, correct? Yes. So when you go to Whoop, there's gonna be indicators. So we have good morning with Lexa. We have Jess in here. She is a trader and she's a really, really smart girl. She lives, where does she live? Hold on. I know she speaks French, but I forgot where she lives. Hold on. Why can't I think of it? So basically the indicator that I have, that I paid a lot of coins for that, she basically coded for us, so it would be very similar to what I have. So you guys don't have to pay any coins for that. Okay? Look at that. Where is that TikTok person? Are you scrolling already? Did you love me? Because you're in the short. Okay, fine. We reached the 220. Not 225, but hey. Hello. Let's see. George? No, it wasn't George. Who was it? Air Cow. Air Cow, you're still here? There we go. All right. God, I love TikTok. Yeah, Kona, there should be two indicators. One of them shows you the point of control. See the point of control right here, the white line. And then all the most importantly, I know she did it like more colorful right here, but most importantly is you see these levels that we have. So that's the most important one. They pretty much match up with mine, right? And close enough for sure. And there you go. Come on, give me the 225. There we go. Come on. Come on. 225 it goes. All right. Where is my TikTok person? Did you scroll through it? Because you don't like me. Come on, Aircat. Are you still here? Crickets? Crickets. There goes the 225. Yep. Crickets. Good morning, Dick Queen. There you go. Thank you, Melissa. So 225, I don't know. The decision I made, I have to remake my decision, right? I don't know right now. So there's no right answer. I wanted to do long, which I did the long and 195. This is when I alerted everyone in 195. Wait, I trailed my stop, but the TP should have been at 225. I just don't have coconuts to hold it. I was just guiding in case somebody else is in it. I got kicked out. So 225, I don't know. So I see 225, I see 230, and then after that, I'll make my decision. There's a lot more pressure for long than shorts. So the next order is at 230. Isn't it interesting? The TikTok person didn't like that I was right and just keeps scroll through it. Earl, share my life. Thank you so much. So yeah, that was a good little trade pre-market. Anybody else on the team winning? Okay, so good. From right here, from the 190. trail your stops because the next right now 230 is there, but they wanna. Did you want in at the 195, the 190 area or no? Yeah, there's some more orders left at 225. So yeah. Okay, so perfect. You got the alert, right? Or you just did it. See, it's good if you get alert, but it's good if you didn't go off alert because that means you're seeing the same things that I'm seeing. Mm. I really like your bio too. It was really beautiful. So yeah, the 200. It's a 250. Yeah, so it aligns with all the orders. Okay. Yeah. So either way, it's fine. So the less hand holding you guys need, the better it is, right? So, I would love to. If you went on your own and you saw the same thing at the same time, then we're good. If you went in because alert was on up, that's fine too. Either way, we're good. Yeah. Exactly. That's exactly the answer that I want. See what I mean? Like, I want to have you guys, like, I want to give credit, all of it to you. You guys watch me long enough to know how I think. Yeah, just Irina, like, she asked me to send if I do like pre-market what I did. You know how I log in sometimes and I see some setup and I just log in after already in the trade. So she asked me to alert. So I kind of did it for the request. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, I already know you're listening. You asked me for the Schwab's setup. I'll send it to you today. Anybody else have Schwab's or no? I can send it out. Yeah, so on the phone. So on the phone I have a different settings, okay? And then okay. It's not, no, it's just old and clunky. You'll love it eventually, I promise you. Okay. Good morning, Tum Tum. Okay, so I'll send you guys in the chat right here if you guys wanna okay. So let me know when you see the picture. Okay, so it's rejecting the 220 that we saw the goal for the 220. Now it's rejecting, so it needs to accumulate a little bit more. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of my picture, send it to you, and the first one will be 20 and the second will be 200. And if you want to match me, let me see. The 200 is blue and the 20 is orange. So then Then your chart should look this on the phone. Good. Any questions for anybody on that? There's one at 230, a big order too. So if Lucas are holding the lavas, if you're still holding there's a big order 230, big for pre-market. So your stylus, so we have some more Lithuanian in here. That's good. Yeah, I mean, or just trail, right? So just trail. Either way, just trail, but because it's pre-market, right? So right now the accumulating right now. So it's more pressure down because it's under what? This is the answer. So everybody in winning team, please type. What is it under what? Melissa, give me a gift. Thank you. Nope, no one is typing. Okay.
Your question, what was it?
I said, right now the longs are, it's possible, but to trail to stop because the danger is under what? What am I pointing the answer in my screen? Say that again.
Is that your VWAP up there? I'm like, I don't know which one you're your blue line.
Yeah, so it's 200. It's the 200. 200, that's what it is. So VWAP, if we look at bookmap, the VWAP is 257. So is this one online? Yeah, see? The 200 is 258 and that one is 257. So yeah, so either way, VWAP or 200 is, I don't want to say the same, but it's pretty much the level is at the same right now. And it's before the open, right? So all right, see what happens.
I love reading everybody's Instagram.
That was,
I'm so glad you did that.
so thank you for suggestions. That was really, I feel like I should have done more about me. Somehow I concentrated like more about the trading. Should have done more like my background, but I'm like, oh well, you guys know me enough. But like, huh? So like, Has Luck, like he has a pretty cool story, right? Ara hasn't done it. Tom hasn't done it. Shannon did it. See, I didn't know Shannon is from Indiana. The Queen was really fun. Say that again.
I like that it's labeled Meet the Winning Team too. That's good.
Yes. I told you I'll have a fun name on it. I'll have a fun name. It took me a second, but I put it together. All right, so we having some selling pressure. Let's see, we bouncing or not? There goes the 210. All right, Hasluck, aren't you glad you trailing this just in case, just to be safe? Okay. Any questions on TikTok, people? We took a small little trade. I didn't go in because it was too close to the pre-market. We saw the taking out the 225. That's the trade recap. Now we have a selling pressure because of the 200 and VWAP, and it's before the open, so they're just gonna chop around and accumulate for the next 10 minutes. Any questions of TikTok, people? We have two and a half precious minutes left. I will share with my team. I was gonna send you the screenshots. Why? Okay. You guys can fill in the blanks. I don't think I can say it right now since I'm still streaming. Okay. You guys ready? Alright, I send it in the chat. Look at this. Nonsense. Labas, David. Yeah. We have some Lithuanian in our team. More and more. It's actually really cool, David, is that like there's a lot of Lithuanian traders. We did not realize that. And I think my name attracts a lot of Lithuanian traders. Kind of cool. A lot more than I ever thought it would be. You know, it's only 3 million of us, and actually there's a lot of traders. I'm not selling anything. I have a group if people wanna join. The reason for the fee is because that way we don't have no trash in here. It just filters out people that don't need to be. I'm very strict about being positive and positive only. Anything else, I don't accept, nor do I allow. Trading is very, very hard. So I always gonna say this, and I'll say it again. Like we're not fighting each other. We're fighting the markets together. We struggle together. We survive together, and we win together. So we call ourselves a winning team, and we all help each other out. This is what we're doing. We already had the play, Craig. So, yeah. And Davidas, yra 3 dienos nemokamai, jeigu nori, gali pasižiūrėti tenais. Algorithms a little early? That was not algorithms. Okay, don't mess with us. Yeah, thank you, Karuna. See what I mean? That's why I was like, I'll tell you what I think in the next 15 seconds. I'm gonna get off in. Oh, thank you. Kas vyksta kokia grupė? Trading, then I put stock analysis. If you want to swing trade, you can read my charts. The reason for the fee, like I said, so we have no trash people in there. It's my gate. It's my gate. It's my wall. I do not like negativity, nor do I like to stress. So I'm very overprotected that the people that are in my group, I'm very overprotective. So overprotective of everyone's energy. If you have nothing nice to say, I'll finish the sentence for you. If your mom didn't teach you, I'll teach you. Yep, that's how we roll. Positive, kindness, love. We lick each other's wounds. If I have yes. If I have a bad day, if I have a bad trade, look, none of us are perfect. So yeah, that's how we roll. We're chilling. We don't overtrade. We're chilling. Yeah. I'm from America. Yeah, I'm from California, but I've been California 20 years now, 20 something. Hold on, my daughter 20, so longer than 20. I left Lithuania at 18. As soon as I got to high school, I was like, I bounce. and now I can't wait to buy the property in Lithuania. So anyways, shit, I thought I'm perfect. Emotional damage. You are perfect. No, wait, my winning team know what that was. What was that? Yeah, Carla Mama Bear, yeah. 25. Yep, thank you, Melissa. See, they always show up. They never late. They try to fool me they were late here, but can always expect them. All right. No Espanol. I used to work in Spanish restaurant, and I used to be able to speak enough Spanish to answer back to my cooks, but no more. All right, here goes the 225 again that we talked about it. So The person that roll eyes on TikTok on me, how's that going for you? I'm pretty sure you're in the short. And you don't like some blonde girl on TikTok telling you that it's gonna go to 225. There you go. So on that note, I'm gonna say goodbye to TikTok people, and I really appreciate every single one following you. I'm gonna go trade with my winning team. No pressure, just kindness, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.